Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learn. In this video of Standard 8 Maths, we are going to see Chapter 5, Expansion of Formulae, Practice Set 5.3. If you have missed Practice Set 5.2, the link is given in the description box. If you like the video, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notifications of the new videos. So let's proceed. Now the expansion of a minus b the whole cube. So a minus b the whole cube, I can even write it as a minus b into a minus b into a minus b, which can even be written as a minus b into a minus b the whole square. Now a minus b the whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then let's open the brackets. So you get a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. A into a square is a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus ba square plus 2ab square minus b cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Therefore, your expansion becomes a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now let's see the sums based on this formula. Practice set 5.3. First, 2m minus 5 the whole cube. So we have to first write the formula, that is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then comparing, you get the value of a as 2m, b as 5. Now substitute these values in the above formula. You get 2m minus 5 the whole cube is equal to 2m the whole cube minus 3 into 2m the whole square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 the whole square minus 5 cube, which is equal to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Second, 4 minus p the whole cube. Again, the first step, write down the formula. Then by comparing, we get the value of a as 4 and b as p. Substitute these values, we get 4 minus p the whole cube is equal to 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square into p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p the whole cube, which is equal to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Third, 7x minus 9y the whole cube. Again, the first step, the formula. Then write the value of a as 7x, b as 9y. Substitute these values of a and b in the formula. We get 7x minus 9y the whole cube is equal to 7x the whole cube minus 3 into 7x the whole square into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9y the whole square minus 9y cube. Now 7x the whole cube is 343x cube minus 27y into 49x square plus 21x into 81y square minus 729y cube. Therefore, the answer is 343x cube minus 1323x square y plus 1701xy square minus 729y cube. Fourth, 58 cube. Now 58, I can even write it as 60 minus 2 the whole cube. Therefore, again the formula, the value of a is 60, b is 2. Substitute the values, we get 60 minus 2 the whole cube is equal to 60 cube minus 3 into 60 square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2 cube, which is equal to 2,16,000 minus 6 into 3,600 plus 180 into 4 minus 8, which is equal to 2,16,000 minus 21,600 plus 720 minus 8, which is equal to 1,95,112. Fifth, 198. Again 198 we can write it as 200 minus 2 the whole cube. Again the formula, the value of A is 200, value of B is 2. Substitute the values in the formula, we get 200 minus 2 the whole cube is equal to 200 cube minus 3 into 200 square into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square minus 2 cube. So we get 80 lakhs minus 6 into 40,000 plus 600 into 4 minus 8, which is equal to 80 lakh minus 2,40,000 plus 2,400 minus 8, which is equal to 77,62,392. Sixth sum, 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Formula, value of A is 2p, value of B is 1 upon 2p. So substituting the values, we get 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube is equals to 2p the whole cube minus 3 into 2p square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p the whole square minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. So I can even write it as 8p cube minus 3 into 2p into 2p into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p into 1 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. This terms will be cancelled. This term gets cancelled. So you get 8p cube minus 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Seventh sum, 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. Write down the formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 upon a. Substitute the values, we get 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 upon a the whole square minus 1 upon a the whole cube, which is equal to 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Eighth one, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube. Write down the formula. Value of a is x upon 3, b is 3 upon x. Substitute these values in the formula, you get x upon 3 minus 3 upon x the whole cube is equal to x upon 3 the whole cube minus 3 into x upon 3 the whole square into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x the whole square minus 3 upon x the whole cube. So I can even write it as x upon 3 the whole cube minus 3 into x upon 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x. This term gets cancelled plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x into 3 upon x. This term gets cancelled minus 3 upon x the whole cube, which is equal to x cube upon 27 minus this 3 and this 3 also get cancelled. So you get minus x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. Question number 2, simplify. 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube. Now if you see in this, you have a plus term and you have a minus term. So you have to make use of both the formulas together in the sum to get the answer. So we will solve it step by step. First, I will solve it for the first bracket, that is 2a plus b the whole cube. In this, the value of a is 2a and b is b. I will write the formula for plus, that is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now these, I will substitute the values of a and b. I will get 2a plus b the whole cube is equals to 2a the whole cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube, which is equal to 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. This is your equation number 1. Now I will take the second term in from the bracket, that is 2a minus b the whole cube. Value of a is 2a, value of b is b. Here I will write the formula for a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is equal to 2a cube minus 3 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. Therefore you get 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. This is your equation number 2. Now in the question you have to subtract these two equations. So the next step is subtracting equation 2 from 1. You get 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. Now we know whenever there is a negative sign outside the bracket, all the signs inside the bracket will change when you open the bracket. Therefore the next step is a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube minus 8a cube plus 12a square b minus ab square plus b cube. So if you can see, all the signs have changed for the second bracket because there is a minus sign in front of the bracket, which is equal to, now this term and this term gets cancelled, this term gets cancelled. So you have 12ab square and 12ab square, b cube and b cube, which is equal to 24a square b plus 2b cube. Therefore the final answer is 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube is equal to 24a square b plus 2b cube. Question number 2. 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. The first bracket, that is 3r minus 2k the whole cube. The value of a is 3r, b is 2k. So we are going to use a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Substitute the values, we get 3r minus 2k the whole cube is equals to 3r the whole cube minus 3 into 3r the whole square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k the whole square minus 2k the whole cube. 3r the whole cube is 27r cube minus 54r square k plus 36rk square minus 8k cube. That is our equation number 1. Now the second bracket, that is 3r plus 2k the whole cube. Again a is 3r, b is 2k. A plus b the whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Substitute these values, we get 3r the whole cube plus 3 into 3r the whole square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k cube, which is equal to 27r cube plus 54r square k plus 36rk square plus 8 cube. Now adding the equations 1 and 2, we get 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube, that is 27r cube minus 54r square k plus 36rk square minus 8k cube plus 27r cube plus 54r square k plus 36rk square plus 8 cube. Now here the signs will not change because outside the bracket there is a plus sign. So you get the step as 27r cube, this term will get cancelled, plus 36rk square, this will get cancelled, plus 27r cube plus 36rk square, which is equals to 54r cube plus 72rk square. Therefore your final answer is 54r cube plus 74rk square. Third, 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube, which is equal to a is equal to 4a, b is equal to 3. a minus b the whole cube, the formula. Therefore, you get 4a the whole cube minus 3 into 4a the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square minus 3 cube. That is 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27. Equation 1. Then second bracket, a is 4a, b is 3. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Substitute the values, we get 4a the whole cube plus 3 into 4a the whole square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 the whole square plus 3 cube, which is equal to 64a cube plus 144a square plus 108a plus 27. This is our equation number 2. Now there is a subtraction. We have to subtract equation 2 from 1. We get 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. Therefore, 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27 minus 64a cube plus 144a square plus 108a plus 27. Now again there's a minus sign outside the bracket, so we know that the signs are going to change once we open the bracket. So 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27 minus 64a cube plus minus minus, so minus 144a square plus minus minus, so again minus 108a minus 27. So signs have changed. So we get here the like this and this term will get cancelled and this term will get cancelled. So you get minus 144a square minus 27 and minus 144a square minus 27, which is equal to minus 288a square minus 54. Therefore, the final answer is 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube is equal to minus 288a square minus 54. Fourth sum, 5x minus 7y the whole cube plus 5x plus 7y the whole cube. First bracket, 5x minus 7y the whole cube. A is 5x, b is 7y. Therefore, a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We will substitute these values. We get 5x minus 7y the whole cube is equal to 5x the whole cube minus 3 into 5x the whole square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y the whole square minus 7y the whole cube, which is equal to 125x cube minus 525x square y plus 735xy square minus 343y cube. This is our equation number 1. Second bracket, 5x plus 7y the whole cube. A is 5x, b is 7y. Here we will use a plus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Therefore, you get 5x plus 7y the whole cube is equal to 5x the whole cube plus 3 into 5x the whole square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y the whole square plus 7y the whole cube, which is equal to 125x cube plus 525x square y plus 735xy square plus 343y cube. This is our equation number 2. Now here we have to do addition. So again, adding equation 1 and 2, 5x minus 7y the whole cube plus 5x plus 7y the whole cube. So 125x cube minus 525x square y plus 735xy square minus 343y cube. Addition, so plus 125x cube plus 525x square y plus 735xy square plus 343y cube. So here we need not change the signs because it's a plus sign. These terms will get cancelled. Therefore, the answer is 125x cube plus 735xy square plus 125x cube plus 735xy square, which is equal to 250x cube plus 1470xy square. Therefore, the final answer is 250x cube plus 1470xy square. Thank you.